So today I'll be unboxing an iPhone SE. I got it today. This is the box. I don't know why I'm laughing right now. I don't know how the fuck to open this. I have an iPhone 6 that I've had for 3 years. And I'm just gonna somehow... I don't know how to... Wait, no, there's tabs at the top. Isn't it? I don't know how to fucking open this. I can't open it. Fuck. How do people open this? Oh. That would have helped, wouldn't it? Let's try this again. Ah, there we go. So, obviously the box. It's what it looks like. I kind of like it. I'll take the plastic off of it. Me satisfied. I do. So this is the phone. I got it in black. You can literally that looks so trippy. But yeah, it's black. Yeah, this is my old phone. 6. The back of it, you can't exactly see, but it's scratched up, and 3 years have had it. My phone case for this one is like broken as well, so I had to get it. And it also glitches out a lot, which sucks, but let's turn it on. Well, that's turning on. Get the charger, obviously, for it. It just said hello. What am I doing? Oh, the home button is weird. Okay, I'm gonna press English. This is hard to do, hey? And that's the screen. It looks set up manually. I don't know the fucking password for the internet. I think these might be the stickers. I don't know. I wonder if I can connect to the internet through my phone. I'm not sure. So I think this is where my stickers are. Yeah. I honestly don't understand why they come with stickers. Yeah. And then you get the little pin where I had to take my SIM card out. Okay. So I'm gonna set up manually. And now I'm gonna go into... Oh, that you can't even see that on my other phone. Settings. It still can't see that shit. Anyway. It's still not fucking... Something. I just dropped that. I don't know what I'm doing, clearly. They're actually about the same size. The iPhone 6 is on ISO 12. Okay. It's now lighter in my room. Let's try this again. So I have the fucking Wi-Fi password. Now you can see it. Yes. And next, so we gotta get this thingy out so I can actually put my SIM card. It's gonna take a few minutes to activate my new phone, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna take the SIM card out of my old phone. So, I don't know how to fucking... There we go. I'm gonna add the Touch ID to it. Creating password. Totally know what I'm doing. So that's showing all that stuff. And then now I'll show you the phone case and pop socket that I got as well. Wait, hang on. I think that's the password to my iPad, I'm not sure. No, I always forget my passwords and that's obviously going to be incorrect, but let's just continue. We set up everything. Hello Siri. Hey Siri. There we go. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. You know what, the Siri on my phone didn't even fucking work much. Nope. Okay. On your phone. Ew. So, hang on, let me log into my other phone. So they're the different phones, obviously. I think they're the same size, but this your Apple ID and phone number are now being used for iMessages. Sure. But now, let's actually transfer the SIM cards like I was going to before. If I can. There we go. Ah! I just dropped my SIM card. Fuck. Got it. Let me put this back in. I wish I could just I could have screen recorded everything. Okay, actually, before I put the SIM card in, I'm going to show you the pop socket and phone case. So the phone case that I got is this. It's blue, like my hair, and green. I don't even like the color blue, but I got it anyway. And then pop socket. I don't know why, it just this stood out to me and I was just like, I had to get it. So it's actually, is it gonna fit? Maybe, hang on. Oh, it does. I like it. Let me take it out first. I do have to say that the freaking home button does feel weird. And probably because I'm not used to it. But anyway, let's put the SIM card into this one. Maybe. I don't break it. It's not. Oh, there we go. SIM card in the thing, and then obviously I'm gonna do stuff like download apps and stuff on it. It is really good. I hope I don't break it because it's glass back and I'm very clumsy and it's going to be interesting, but I'm just going to put the pop socket onto my phone now. If I can get the sticky thing to peel off. That's not good. That's not the sticky part. How the fuck do you get this off? It's not coming off properly. Like at all. The actual, oh hang on. Did I get it? Oh, I got it. Maybe. A little bit. Put my little... There's a phone case and stuff. I can't get my phone case in now. Maybe I should stop putting shit in my phone case on my phone. Maybe that's why I don't want to break it. Ooh. I'll break it on the first time I get it. Day I get it. That'd be quite bullshit. That's it for today's video. I'll thank you guys for watching and bye.